Okay, so what it looks like is we had someone who wasn't all bright upstairs. They attempted doing a fix, and what they did was they put the boy parts on the girl and the girl parts on the boy. So if you were in grade school, you just flunked. Bad. Well, hi everyone, and welcome back, all you beautiful internet people. Today we're back with Rodney, and we have a new type of a repair on this here iPhone 6s Plus. Let's check the tag and see what it says. Now the tag, it says no image, green lines. So let's see what happens if we attempt to boot this baby up. Push that button. And I see nothing. There ain't nothing. Not a what in the hell is going on? I ain't never seen nothing like this before. 3 bars. It looks like one of them green chocolate candy canes from Christmas. So those lines is bright and they is fading. So we got something really wrong going on with this phone. So let's open this baby up and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, well, we got that screen off. Let's take a looky-loo under, just a quick looky-loo right around these connections and see if anything is going on. Oh, look at that. It almost looks like someone has been here before. This phone is not a virgin. It has been touched. It don't look bad. There ain't no long screw damage. I don't see nothing. All the connectors all look okay, except for a little bit of burning right there. Alright, so here we are. Gonna take a quick look around this here connector. And let's see. Because that one right there would be giving us our image. Now someone has touched this before. This board has been touched. And these two little guys right there, they look like they've been touched. What is going on there? I am going to pull up Easy Draw. Now, let's take a look here and see if we can find out what those two little dudes are that look like they've been touched. So we're going to go to Easy Draw, and we is going to get right up in here. Okay, so this looks like I'm getting close. So this is the area here, and let's find out which one we're talking about. So it's the 5th and the 6th one down from right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we got an FL4251 that goes to the pin, and we got C4299 that goes to ground. Okay, so let's take a look and see what is going on with these guys. Oh, okay, I see what is going on. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look back under that there microscope, and let's see what those two look like. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick diode reading here. So let's put this pin on ground. We're not taking diode, we're just taking to see if anything is shorted. Now that guy is shorted ground. And that guy is shorted ground. And this line is shorted to ground. So 1, 2, 3. Damn, you can't see nothing. Okay, let's try this again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 8 down is short. Let's look at him. He is supposed to be short. Well, that ain't good. But something is hella fishy about them two little guys. There is something going on here. Tell you what, that line is shorted, and it ain't supposed to be. Because according to ZXW, that guy is not supposed to be shorted to ground on this one like he is. So let's recheck it. Beeping on everything. So let's pull them guys and see. Let's find out if there is anything else that we can learn about this. So I asked him, and he said that it came from another shop, that shop said, well, there ain't no image, nothing left no more. So then it went to another shop, and that guy attempted to fix it. Yeah, he sure did. He didn't send it to Mr. Rodney first, because he wanted to fix it. And now look at this sucker. He's got it sitting to Rodney anyway. Alright, I am just going to reach down there and gently pluck them two out and retest that line and see if we can figure it out. A wee lot of flux right there. And let's see if we can get this guy out without breaking him. Alright, there is one. Now, I am going to put him down right there, and we is going to test. That guy looks like he is supposed to be a capacitor. But according to my calculations on Easy Draw, this should be a filter. So he is not beeping. I think he's a good capacitor. Okay, so let's just set him gently down where we can find him. Let's take another look. Wait a minute. I just took off a capacitor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at Easy Draw again. Good golly god dang, I think this sucker put them buttons back in the wrong spot. 4, 5 is a filter, and that is the one that I just took off as a capacitor. And number 6 is supposed to be a capacitor. And I got a sneaky gall darn suspicion that that is a filter. Let's test him. Let's see if he's still shorted to ground. He is absolutely shorted to ground. But that sucker, I think he's a filter. Well, golly god dang. Alright, we got that guy out too. Holy dang. That is a tight tolerance. Okay, so let's test him, because I got a sneaky suspicion he is a filter. Let's take a look. I think he is a filter. Okay, so what it looks like is we had someone who wasn't all bright upstairs. They attempted doing a fix, and what they did was they put the boy parts on the girl and the girl parts on the boy. So if you were in grade school, you just flunked. Bad. Oh hell. Oh hot dang, I better grab that filter right there. Make darn tootin' sure I don't lose it. Okay, let's get our site cleaned up, prepared for some new organs. Okay, well, I think we're making some progress here. So let's get a wee little bit of solder. Let's try to get them just padded up just a wee bit better. Alright, so let's put the bottom one on first. So let's put that capacitor down first. Alright, well, we got the first guy there, and he is the capacitor. We are going to put him on there first, and we are going to do that with just a wee touch of hot air. I find it just to be a little cleaner. Well, that just ain't going down very good. I guess we's gonna have to attempt it with tweezers. Just gotta be super careful around that connector because it's already bungalowed up. Oh, god dang it. Where did he just go? Oh, god dang it. Nope, that little son of a gun is gone. Now I gotta go find one. Well, this is about the biggest pain in the behind. This is my third one, because they keep flying away. So let's try to get this sucker down without breaking him. Alright, I think that one is in. Now this little guy should be our filter. You know what? Let's check that one and make sure. Is that line shorted? Let's check. Alright, I think we got that guy down. Holy hell. What a nightmare. That's the capacitor. That little fella should be a filter. God dang it. Holy god dang and golly gosh darn it all in the same time. That was hard. Let's look it up close. And let's check and make sure nothing's shorted. Our moment of truth. I'm going to back out just a wee bit so you can see where I'm touching. So this guy should be a cap. Beeps on one side and not the other like we want. And this guy is a filter and he shouldn't be beeping at all. And I think we got it. Let's check that continuity between our pin and our guy. And he is going through. Alright. So I'm thinking that we may have had just a wee bit of luck here. So we're going to clean up this spot, make sure that nothing else gets damaged or touching it shouldn't be. Alright, I think that looks real nice. Gonna give it the old swabberoo once more. We all like it clean. And now we get to test it and see if we are geniuses or if we are not. Alright, here we go. Let's push that there button. Dang it, we still got nothing. Oh, holy hell. We got green again. So we gotta have to track this sucker down because something is toasted. Back to investigatory processes. Alright, so I just retouched up just a wee bit there. I wanted to make darn sure that my work is good. So let's put this here screen back on and see if we made a difference. And I don't think we did. I think we're gonna get green again. Well, look at that. Actually, we do got a difference. We got backlight. Oh, dang it, we got green lines. God dang it, what is that? Okay, we're still hunting. Alright, so we've done a wee bit more investigatory stuff, and we fixed all the idiot damage. We're going to go under the scope and show you that. So we fixed the idiot damage that was right down in here. I'll orient that the other way. And we still got no image, and we still got green bars. And so I started testing and probing around some of them other image lines, and I have discovered that we are getting beeps on every one of these capacitors and filters. So we know that that line is officially shorted all the way to ground. And we don't know which one it is, but it probably is one of them. So let's look at easy draw. So this guy is bad. All of them shorted to ground. Now this one is a filter. So he goes through that all the way up to them. And then let's see, does he go down on the bottom? Oh, look at that. He goes down here on the bottom. So we could be down there having some issue, but we could be up here having some issue too. So let's see if we can get a little bit of heat on this thing. We're gonna try something we ain't never tried, and that is we're gonna smoke this board out and then see if it will reveal himself as a bad component. So under the scope we go, and let's get some smoke happening. That looks alright. We are getting good at this smoking thing. And now we are going to add 5.7 volts with my power supply. Okay, so we are set up and we know that one of these is hot. So I'm going to touch one probe on that, and we are going to touch one real quick probe on the third pin up. So 1, 2, 3. Just a quick touch. Oh, look at that! Look at that! That little dude just revealed himself as being bad. That was the coolest thing I have ever seen in my life, next to some other cool things I've seen. Let's just touch that again. I'm just going to touch the pin. And that baby right there is hot. Hot dang! So now we can be pretty sure that that guy is bad, and we're gonna just touch a little bit of hot air on him, And we are gonna pluck him out of there like a bad dude that he is. We don't tolerate this kind of stuff. We just don't tolerate it. I wonder if I can get that sucker out of there without breaking it. Let's do it with the tweezers. Come here, Mr. Tweezer. Hop on over diddly here yonder and let us pluck him out and throw him in the garbage can. Come on, little guy. Come on and get loose. Well, son of a gun. I'm gonna add a little bit extra heat down here. Come on, little guy, let go. Oh, look at that. We got him out. Now, just to be doubly down dirty sure, we is gonna test him by putting, here we go. And that little capacitor is bad. Look at that. All right. Okay, so we got that guy. We got him up and gone. Let's check that line now again and make sure that all of our shorts is gone. And we is gonna do that by putting this one here and this one here. That line is beeping, and that line is not beeping. Okay, let's find a capacitor to put in. All right, there is the one we is going for. All right, I'm gonna set him right there. Well, hot diggity. I think he's down. Let's let that baby cool. We'll check it and we'll make it work. Well, that line looks quite good. It ain't beeping there, and it is beeping there. That filter is no longer beeping, and none of these guys is beeping. Except for the ones that are supposed to be beeping, where they're supposed to be. So, we are now going to move on to the next phase of this operation, and we are going to test this board and see if we have made it great again. And let's push that button and see what happens. Yeehaw! Look at that mower flipping iPhone Apple logo. No more green lines, no nothing. Let's see if this sucker is gonna start. And look at that. That is a beautiful sight. That makes my heart warm. Holy cow. Do we got... Uh-oh. Well, god dang it. What just happened? I think the battery was dead. Alright, let's plug in a cable. See what happens. And look at that. We have a battery charging icon, which you can't see. Oh, hot dang. Look at that. It's coming back. Alright, what is going on? Now that sucker's taking a charge, and a good charge at that. God dang crappy cables, I tell you what, we gotta get rid of them. I'm gonna tell Nate that sucker needs to invest in some quality, because this other stuff is crap. Well, look at that. Alright, so we're gonna push a couple buttons here and see. We have good clean touch. That thing is charging. It is not dropping nothing. Look at that. That is a beautiful sight. Alright folks, there you have it. That was me, Rodney, fixing the fix of someone else's fix that didn't fix it, because when they did fix it, they put everything in the wrong place, so it wasn't really fixed. But this is the third time, and we fixed it, and we did it right. So if you need something repaired here with me, Rodney, you can give me a call, or you can text me, or you can just mail it. And we can fix this kind of stuff all day long when other people can't. So thanks for watching, and we will see you again next time we need to fix something. Have a great day.